What's up, guys? Here's 3 quick tips on faster punches. Alright, first tip, clench your fist at the last second. So a lot of times when beginners throw punches, they tighten up right when they go to throw the punch, and they keep it tight the whole way through, and they think that the tighter their arm is, the tighter that grip is, the harder their punch is going to be. This is actually a little bit flawed. You do want to grip tight, but only at the very end and only in your hand and your forearm, not your bicep, not anything else. Up until that point, when the punch snaps and you grip hard, you want it to flow and be smooth. Think of it like a whip that flows and curves until crack, right? So smooth, smooth. See that? Clinch at the last minute, smooth on the delivery, then crack, bring it right back. And that goes into the second tip for a faster punch, is understand that you're going to want to bring it right back. Something about having a destination in mind for after you throw that punch, knowing to bring it right back and not leave it hanging out or dropping down. After you grip tight and snap, bring it back, right? So loose, snap, bring it back. Loose, snap, bring it back. And that can apply for all punches. I'm just showing you with the jab, but you can do it with a cross too. Right. Snap, bring it back. Right? That's going to turn punches like this, right, into punches like this. Alright. So snap. Keep in mind that you're going to bring it back, and something about that mental process keeps it quick, keeps it snappy. Alright. And your third tip, something you can't get away from, practice. Alright. So make sure that you get yourself a bag, get yourself loose, get yourself warmed up, and just practice whatever. Practice your jab cross. And know that every time you punch, keep it loose. Snap right at the end of that punch. That's when you're going to grip your fist at the last second before that punch hits. That's going to make your punch quick and strong like a whip. And after you do that, know that you don't need to do anything fancy with your hands, anything else, but bring that punch right back. Leaves punching to 2 steps. Snap and back, right? Snap and back. Snap and back. Alright, guys, those are 3 quick tips on how to get faster punches. Go ahead and give it a try, and remember, always practice, always get better. Alright, guys, snap and back. Let's get them.